Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I have a new Wantable box, shocker, but it is the first time that I ever got their denim edit. So that is what we're gonna be unboxing. Okay, so the denim edit. I did go on the stream and I did like some things, but as always, I don't know what's in the box. If you are new to Wantable, it's $20 plus tax. They send you 9 items for you to try on. You keep what you like, you send back what you don't like. If you keep 3 items, you get $25 off a future box. 6 items, $60. 9 items, $90. And the more you spend with Wantable, the more rewards that you get. So, and that styling fee that you pay up front can come off any items that you do pick. So let's dive in. So the first item, I am pretty sure that I did select this. It's a purse. So here's the color. There's the chain there. It opens like this. You've got a purse, a little pouch there, zipper, and in there you also then have a longer, and on the back you have there. So I love that it's kind of rock starish. I think that is beautiful. And I love that you get a longer strap. Now, since I selected this purse, I know what a Christmas gift is that my mom's gonna be getting me. So this item is probably gonna be no, just because I know what's coming. Otherwise, I love the purse, and I'll go ahead and tell you right now that the company is Jen & Co, and it is, let's see here, $44. So this is an amazing price, and it is vegan. Oopsie daisy, there we go. So this is an amazing purse. I just know what I have coming, so this is just gonna be a no. All right, next item. This is actually green, I think. Like to the eye, it looks black, but then when I look in camera, it looks like a dark green. Yeah, they are dark green. Okay, so they're by 78 and Sunny, so they are green, a dark green. I love that color. I don't have that color. Let's do the price right now. Yeah, $89. And it is a Bray straight leg twill pant in pine crest. So there we go. And here's the back. It is a very lightweight pant, you guys. So I'm gonna try it on. I don't have this color, so I'm kind of like on the fence, but we'll try it on. All right, next, another pair of jeans. Oh, they're cute. I love the pockets in the front. Love these types of pants. They're also by 78 and Sunny. There we go. Here's the bottoms. Very long, wide in the bottom. And we're doing prices, so let's see. This is a Caroline cropped wide leg jean in Storm, $99. All right, the next is also by 78 and Sunny. I'm pretty sure it's the same as the, it is. So it's the same type of pant as that pine, is it pine crest? What was that color called? Yes, pine crest, except these are in mahogany. So again, I love the color because it is something different. So let's see what else. All right, the next shirt is by Thread and Supply, and it says Feel Good and Good Threads, and it is a Lewis shirt in clove heather, $66. Very soft, you guys, extremely soft. There we go. That's the shirt. And here we go on the sleeves. Show you the back. So the back is. First impressions, This type of fabric doesn't lay right on me. Like it's, how do I want to say it? It's not a good look. Like the fabric doesn't work well for me. Like it just doesn't make me look the best. But I'll try it on. All right, the next is a sweater. You've seen my videos before, you know I love my sweaters. And I have been loving these colors, the black and white, but I'm starting to get quite a few of it. So we will see. I mean, this would have to be something that's just absolutely amazing for me to keep it because I am starting to get a lot. But short sweater. There you go. It kind of like, maybe it's not black. Maybe it's navy blue. Let's see what it says. It's blue, so it is different. So this is a Tabitha sweater and navy combo, $72. So it's blue, it's different. Okay, next, this is something interesting that I don't know why they put in there, unless I've got a cardigan. This is a shirt that you could wear a cardigan, but it's not a shirt for me. It's by 78 and Sunny. As you can see, there's no arms. So that's why I'm thinking, is it meant to go under a cardigan? So I'm actually, normally I don't read the little narrative that the stylist puts in these things. I'm gonna read it this time because I'm curious why they put this in the box. But this is a Desert Sky mock neck top in cream, $69, which I think is ridiculously high priced for this item. And the sweater before that was the blue and white, that was $72. This next item I have seen in my stream, so I'm pretty sure I selected it because every time I saw it, I'm like, that's not my colors. But I must have been very curious because I'm pretty sure I probably did select it. So it is a cardigan. And these are colors that I don't have, I will say. It is by, is it Akoa, maybe? And let's see what the price is. So it's a novelty cardigan in ivory multi, $69. Which I do think it's a very good price for $69 because it is a very hefty sweater. So I'm curious. I wonder what it looks like in those with the mahogany pants. And I bet that other shirt, maybe it goes under there, but then the different fabrics, I don't think those two fabrics go, but we'll see. And last item, we have a flannel. It is by 78 and Sunny. It is a sunset plaid knit top in country blue and cream, $74. And it gives off like a greenish hue, like the cream gives off a greenish hue. I don't know, it's weird. But there it is. So we got the pockets in the front. Got the sleeves in the back. I do like how the top is crossed like that. That I think is a nice little extra that they have. And that's how they've done the pockets too. So I like that difference there. Did I already give the price on this? I think I did $74. So we got our return bag, and then here to show, it's my denim edit. And let's see what the note is here. I'm gonna scan through here really quickly. Okay, so they don't talk anything about like how to pair the clothes. It's just, we hope you like the clothes. So apparently I selected, of the items that I just showed you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 of these items I picked myself. And it says that I picked or requested that mock neck with the short sleeves. That doesn't sound like me. The only things apparently that I didn't request in here was the wide leg jeans and that like Lewis shirt and clove heather. Everything else apparently I requested in here. Also the mahogany in the pine crest pants, Those are on sale from $89 down to $66.75. That is a more reasonable price, you guys. So let's get trying on. All right, so I've got this shirt on. I don't know. I mean, I don't hate it. I just don't love it. These jeans, I'm not sure. So here they are. They have the wide leg. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I actually just got a pair of jeans yesterday with my mother that are similar to this in the front, but they're not the wide leg. So, I mean, I just don't know if I need another pair right now, like, you know, that are like this up front, because I'm getting quite a few pairs. So, I don't know. This is going to be a maybe. I think I need to go look in the mirror and then come back. I checked the jeans out in the mirror and I'm not a fan of them. So this shirt, these jeans are just going to be a no. All right, so here's the top. It is navy. It's not black. And there's just nothing special about it. It's definitely not a bad top. I would want a little, maybe a gold necklace here, but it's just a no. There's just nothing, everyone. So the sweater is a no, just not me. This shirt is a no, it's not me. Now I want to show you around the sweater first. I don't like it how it looks, has my back look. Now let me pull this up here. But I don't like the sweater. I don't like the fit of it. It's not that I don't like the colors, I just don't like the style. Now, the shirt underneath, let me show you this. So it is one of these, because at first I'm like, what the heck is this? So it must go like that. Just don't like it. Well, I want to say jeans, but they're not jeans. They're called like twill pants. I love them, and I am going to keep them. The reason being is that, not like I don't have enough pants, but that, you know, the work is really, you know, we are still, I don't say we are still, but we are still very casual since coming back after COVID. And yes, COVID was a long time ago, but the requirement to come in X number of days just happened last year. So we wear a lot of jeans into work with nice sweaters, but these are very nice, comfortable pants that I could wear into the office that are not jeans. So I'm really hoping that the other color works as well, because I would love to keep both these pairs. So the pants are yes, the tops are a no. Okay, so the top, it's a nice shirt. It really is. It's super soft. I think it's a really good quality. I think it's made well. It's just not flattering to me. I'm not big with the color. I have this tag here, sorry. I just don't think it's very flattering, and I'm not a big fan of this color on me, this tone. The pants, the pine crest color, love them. So the pants will be staying with me. They are the perfect length, which I love. But this shirt is going to be a no. So looks like we got two items that I'll be keeping. Both of these Bray straight leg twill pants, these in Pinecrest, and the others in mahogany, I believe. Yes. And they were $89 each, but they are down $66.75 each. Yay, I'm so happy about that. I will be paying for these two, but I'll be getting my styling fee off. So that is what I am keeping out of the denim edit. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope all is going well with you, and thank you for spending time with me. Bye, everyone.